Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel and you're watching Shoe Scout Official. आज का वीडियो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है because I challenged myself with a 10,000 rupees sneaker budget and trust me, the results are actually impressive.
Okay.
So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it.
आइए देखते हैं मजा आएगा.
So सीन सिंपल था. I had a budget of 10,000 rupees और मेरे को उसमें 3 sneakers लेने थे. So I followed a clear plan. Out of 3, 1 sneaker had to be from a premium segment within a range of 5,000 or under 5,000 rupees. The other 2 had to be from good brand within a range of 2,500 to 2,700 rupees. So आज मैं आपको ये तीनों sneakers दिखाऊंगा and I'll share my honest first impression. So I'll start from the lowest to the highest in pricing. So the first sneaker we have is from Indian homegrown brand Rare Rabbit. So let's open it.
Damn.
Okay, so this sneaker is from Rare Rabbit. I really wanted to buy a Rare Rabbit sneaker from a very long time because they do have really good collection. And if I talk about my first impression, this is classy. The colorway is really solid. The upper is navy blue and the bottom part is full of brown color. The colors are really complementing each other. And if I talk about the material, the upper front part is leather and trust me, the quality of the leather is top notch. साइड पैनल पे आपको क्विल्टेड टेक्सचर देखने को मिल जाएगा विच इज़ क्वाइट डिफरेंट बट लुक्स रियली गुड. साइड पैनल पे आपको रेयर रैबिट की ब्रांडिंग देखने को भी मिल जाएगी इन अ सटल लाइट ब्लू कलर एंड वाओ दिस रियली लुक्स गुड एक्चुअली. एंड अगर मैं बात करूँ आउटर सोल की तो आउटर सोल कम सोल तो नहीं है ये. दिस इज़ अ thermoplastic rubber sole I think and which offers a great durability and resistance. If I talk about the stitching is clean. कोई भी लूज थ्रेड मेरे को देखने को नहीं मिल रहा है. सो या स्नीकर्स काफ़ी क्लीन है, काफ़ी क्लासी है दिखने में. एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द प्राइसिंग. सो आई बॉट दीज स्नीकर्स फ्रॉम मिंत्रा एंड दे कॉस्ट मी 2,631 rupees. So they usually vary around 3,200 to 3,500 in Myntra and in Rare Rabbit website. But at 2,631 rupees, I think it's a steal deal. So it's all about my Rare Rabbit first impression. Now let's move to the second sneaker. The second sneaker we have is from a very popular brand, New Balance. So let's quickly open it. Okay, so this is New Balance BB80. So the BB80 series from New Balance is a lifestyle sneaker which draws inspiration from basketball court shoes. And if I talk about the colorway, this is a pure white sneaker with a yellowish New Balance branding on the side panel. So this looks actually clean. Now let's talk about the material of these sneakers. The upper part of these sneakers is a synthetic leather and the outer sole is full of rubber. And this sneaker comes with a New Balance C-Cap technology. It's a midsole cushioning system which provides a good comfort. So the comfort level of these sneaker is pretty good. Stitching looks good, no loose thread. And if I want to highlight a single con about these sneakers, that is shoelaces. The shoelaces in these sneakers are pretty bad. And अगर आप ये sneaker लेने वाले हो तो प्लीज़ इनके shoelace change कर लेना, which is not at all costly. So overall this sneaker is pretty good, pretty versatile. You can pair with your casual or smart casual outfit like jeans, chinos and trousers. So yeah, this is a 9 out of 10 sneaker. And if I talk about the pricing, I bought these from Myntra as well and they cost me 2,780 rupees. And I think again it's a steal deal. The third and last sneaker we have is from a premium segment जिसकी हमने इस वीडियो में पहले बात करी थी. This sneaker comes from a very popular brand, Puma. So without wasting any time, let's quickly open it. Okay. So this is Puma Palermo. Pricing की बात करने से पहले let's talk about these sneakers. प्यूमा पोलेरमोस काफ़ी फेमस हुए थे 80s टेरेस कल्चर में, स्पेशली इन यूरोपियन फुटबॉल क्राउड्स. इन टेरेस कल्चर लोग फुटबॉल स्टेडियम में बालकनीज और टेरेस पे खड़े होकर मैच देखते थे. उनके बीच में प्यूमा पोलेरमोस काफ़ी फेमस थे. ऑलमोस्ट हर फुटबॉल फैन पोलेरमो पहनते हुए दिखता था. दिस पर्टिकुलर स्नीकर कम्स विद ग्रीन, येलो एंड ब्राउन कलर कॉम्बिनेशन विच लुक्स प्रीटी ब्यूटीफुल. मटीरियल वाइज प्यूमा ने यहाँ पे काफ़ी प्रीमियम स्वेड यूज़ किया है with a Puma leather strip on the side panel. एंड अ प्यूमा पलेर्मो ब्रांडिंग। बैक साइड पे आपको प्यूमा का लोगो देखने को मिल जाएगा एंड आउटर सोल इज अ गम सोल विच प्रोवाइड्स अ गुड ड्यूरेबिलिटी एंड ऑल्सो स्लिप रेजिस्टेंट। शू टंग की बात करूँ तो प्यूमा ने यहाँ पे भी स्वेड मटेरियल यूज़ किया है एंड इनर पैडिंग पे सिंथेटिक लेदर यूज़ किया है। स्टिचिंग लुक्स वेरी क्लीन, नो लूज थ्रेड। और अगर मैं इंसोल की बात करूँ तो प्यूमा ने अपना ऑर्थोलाइट इंसोल यूज़ किया है विच इज़ रियली गुड। So yeah, in my opinion, this sneaker is pretty solid. If you want to buy a Puma Palermo, you can definitely go for this one. You can check out other colors as well. They have pretty good collection. Now let's talk about the price. The original price of these sneaker is 6,999, but I bought this from Tata Luxury and they cost me 4,600 rupees. I know, it's a bargain deal. So this was my 10,000 rupees sneaker challenge and the total value of these three sneakers comes to 10,011 rupees. And honestly, I'm super satisfied with all of them. I know the box conditions are pretty bad, but when it comes to online shopping, आप और क्या expect करोगे? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a comment and tell me which sneaker you found the most stylish and value for money. I've added all the links in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. And smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Do follow me on Instagram for more sneaker updates. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Ciao.